Hi, this is Mark with Mark Ryan Creative, and today I want to show you how to edit, manage, and take care of your own site once it's been delivered to you. So the first thing I want to show you is how to log in. So if you type in your URL and add /wp-login.php to the end of it, that will bring you to the WordPress login area. Here you just type in your username and password and hit login. Alternative way is to type in wp-admin. That will bring you to the admin area if you are logged in. If you're not logged in, it'll ask you to log in. So that's how you're going to get into the back end of your site. Here is the dashboard. This just gives you some real basic information about your site. Pay no attention to it. There are a few main areas that you'll want to access. The first area are the pages. So if you hover over pages, all pages, that will show you the content of your website. So all of these are pages that correspond to real pages on your website. The front page is the home page. So here is the home page. If I want to make a change to the home page, I do it by editing, by clicking edit or clicking on the name. And there I can go into the back end and begin to make changes. So we build with visual editors because visual editors are the easiest things to use for people who don't want to work with code. So let's just kind of orient ourselves on the page to figure out if we want to make a change, where we would do it. So the first thing we see, this is the header. The header is a universal area to all pages. This is the body. It's unique per page. This is the footer down here. It's universal to all pages. So let's say we want to change this. We want to change this tagline. We would come in here. See how it says get results with the #1 SEO agency in St. Albert? That's the same thing as this. So we will click this little pencil icon right here. It's going to let us to edit it. Now here is the visual editor. You could just select and type if you want. The only thing that can happen is sometimes you can break the style if you just do that. So I would recommend just trying it. If something breaks, just hit cancel. But an easy thing to do is just hit text and then just select the words. So if we want to say number, instead of #1, we would say the best. We would just highlight #1 and type in the best. We would click save. I'm going to click cancel because I don't want to change the site. So let's say we go down here, we've got this photo. So let's find that. Again, this is all just corresponding to the site. So you see this, this thing right here, that's this. So it just takes a second to figure out where you are on the page and to figure out where you need to go to make the change. So here's that photo we want to change right here. So if we want to do that, again, click the edit thing. And here's our options. So we can remove if we want to switch it out. If we want to get rid of the module completely, we could trash can it. If we want to make a copy of it, say we want to have 2 photos, we can just duplicate. So let's say we want to do 2 photos. So we're going to duplicate it. I'll remove this and click upload to find a new one. And, just for fun, this is just an example. Let's say we're going to put this in there. And then click save. And there it is. So now I have 2 photos, which I could publish if I wanted to. If I want to, say I don't want a photo anymore, I want a video, I could delete the module. I'm going to come up here to the very top. I'm going to click Builder Elements. I'm going to look for what I want. So there are, I could add a text block, a title, I can add a person, there's a bunch of kind of built-in stuff. So I'm going to want to do a YouTube video. So I'm going to drag this down here to the bottom. Keep dragging. I'm going to put it in there. And then I'm going to click the edit. And it's looking for a video ID. I can just put that in there. I've got a few already saved. Click save. And there will be a video. So I'm going to delete that. I don't want to do any of this. I don't want to save any of these changes. So once everything is to my liking, click update. That's going to publish the page. And then just refresh to see your changes. So those are the pages. Again, just figure out what page you're on. About. That's the about page. It's all very simple once you kind of get a hang of where things are. And, there's the content for the About page. So really sort of intuitive, simple stuff.